Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing the blindfolded makeup challenge with my cousin Rainbow. So stay tuned and please don't judge her, she's not a makeup artist, so stay tuned to see what she created on my face. Bye guys. Come on!
Alright. Jesus Christ, put my name on it black. So you gonna introduce me? My name is Rainbow.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Let's get going.
Okay. I'm just start. Eh?
Girl, are you not starting no day saying that's what I think then?
I'm gonna take me a cheek, I'm gonna look alright.
Make sure you're not.
No, I'm gonna never that say I'm gonna fix it.
Come. Yes, come.
Your products them not even have no idea yet. It them have come do. Yeah, move your feet.
I show people that want one.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready.
Take time on the floor, y'all need it.
Make up the best one. I'm gonna see if it's already. This is the concealer. You put the concealer on our face first. Me, I do it differently. Some people can put, I'm waiting them, but me put concealer. Where are they? Conceal out the damage that was sharp on our face.
The bottom one.
The bottom. Alright, so I don't know which color
She
I
fixed
use.
out the bottom one.
I don't know which color I use a while ago. So I'm going to start put this color. I want to put the light one more. And then this
what?
is... Oh. This is the foundation. Because she have no... She need foundation. For foundation its own.
See what I want?
Foundation. It look nice? Like, but it whatever.
I mean, yeah.
So, let me see. You have to be patient when it comes to makeup and people have tough face.
Yeah.
So yeah, she has beautiful skin. To be honest, even though she's rough.
Bad.
You know, I don't know why I'm so rough. Instead of the cheap, but they look a bit.
Parents, what's going on?
Wait. Alright.
See that? Yeah, go on.
Look at all this.
So much thing.
How about this? You have to
I don't know what
you have
is
to
that.
tell me how first.
You're the artist here, not me. No, what we doing? They look fun.
This one just you.
Make that eyebrows on fleek, girl.
Eyebrows on fleek.
Kimani.
What you might do?
me talk to. Do I do you, I'm
I'm always at the work.
friend. I don't know how trouble it is.
I'm sorry for them to come from shoes at school.
I'm done with the brows.
Yeah, what a bro, something there. The brush. You can at least give me the brush then, at least.
See, I find the brush. What more you want?
The other one for brush up your brow.
Schoolie?
Yeah.
Here.
Thank you.
Fix them up for her.
Fix the brows. You know the brows are the most important thing. Brows are the most important. What about the brows? Can I have nothing? Everything else can go on. Yeah, people don't care. So, for almost a finishing touch,
No! This big!
what is something? Give me a feel.
I learned something, yeah.
You know, I was once a makeup artist.
Not what I
Used to do makeup long time. I used to do makeup. So this come naturally to me still. You know? Look, show me. Yeah, I keep on a turn your face.
I'm sure people them want go and let them see it. You know?
The finishing
Process. So when them see the finishing, them know where that going with it. You don't want them to learn a step where you do thing.
Sometimes they're alright. You know, you can't teach the people when you need them.
Yeah.
Oh, but my eyeshadow.
Take time.
You know how much of something. Cause I'm going for a gold, like natural gold look.
What is this?
Cause
Dad, I'm going to the place. I go for gold. Why you not sit at the
But
table?
don't say that's in a gold. This is gold. Let's see, my mom. But this is the small one. This is not the one. What the big one there?
She's looking for gold.
I'm looking for gold. This is gold. Come. Put your eyelid on
I'm not hurry, so you're not for that.
Now look for gold. Look for gold.
Let's see if she find gold people.
Find gold.
See if you want to open the eye and just look. Gold?
Yes, it's gold.
Alright.
Tell them it's a gold.
What other eye can you look on my eye? Be like, what's that? Where you throw dirt on my face?
And then, what a brush there.
Jesus have mercy.
This is the whatever
Which brush?
the big brush. This the brush will do everything.
Do everything. Alright. Alright. Alright.
Maybe that one more go over. Let's look again.
Right.
Sorry. And then
Come to my lip.
oh, you need some lip gloss, yeah. But I go for your natural looking on a lip. What a lip gloss then? This a lip
I
gloss?
don't know.
And this probably I want bright color. Cause you know, no. Oh, your lips so wet. I want. I lip there.
Banana. Never say put it on my teeth.
Let me see your lip.
Yeah, but oh look.
She looks beautiful.
Hi.
Alright. Where your face then?
Right, so nobody zoom it up too much. Come, this time. Wait, I'm never ready.
Where your face then?
Alright,
Where your face
spray.
then?
Just spray.
Breathe it out.
Yeah, breathe. Breathe.
Make it dry. Give me a face. Make it dry.
Dry? Breathe it out, breathe it out, breathe it out, breathe it out. Alright. You wanna see your finished look?
Yes. Manu, say it good enough.
Beautiful.
Take it
You
off.
wanna take me on a date?
You have to have
Close the
money.
eye. Don't open your eyes, yes. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Yes. Alright. Can you look?
My eyelash still stick up by my eye.
Good.
My cancer.
You're
No,
right, you can't see. Half of the part my face and most can't see. I like that cool.
Not are you mama do it? Are you do that move up your face? But not even get some. No, but it don't look so. No, my eye them look too long. I can't see. No, but sure, my can't even see myself. But my eyelash, my
Friend, how would your eyelash?
No, that shit never dry good enough. And then you gonna make me just push.
What's that? Her eyelash will fall apart. Not even look a glow you give me, not look a nothing.
Yeah, I have glow right here, so it's like a something, but that's fine.
Like a
You know, saying I look that bad. Not
my
saying your
eyebrow.
eyebrow them look better.
You use black pencil. No, look. Tell me now.
When
The
my
foundation and the
eyelash-
concealer that look three bad. Even though she put the concealer all over my face and then put foundation all over my face.
I think
That look
sometimes
three bad, but them part yeah.
I'm not really good with eye makeup. What do you think? It don't come out so bad.
One more thing, I wash out my face.
My eyelash, me look fair now. Make me. No, sometimes I don't like that my eye too long. You know?